Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your AirPods Max have a charge and your phone's Bluetooth is active. Once ready, press and hold the noise control button until the status light flashes white. That indicates pairing mode and makes the headphones discoverable to nearby devices. While you do that, keep your phone's Bluetooth screen open so you can see devices appear immediately. This reduces interference and speeds pairing, because the phone scans continuously when that settings page is visible. Once the white light is flashing, find and tap AirPods Max in your Bluetooth list. You'll see a connecting indicator. If you're on an iPhone, iPad, or Mac signed into iCloud, pairing also registers the headphones to your account so they appear across devices. This is why signing in improves convenience. On Android or Windows, accept the pairing prompts and grant permission for media and calls so audio routes correctly. Make sure other active Bluetooth devices are off to avoid accidental connections. After pairing, play audio and test the digital crown and noise controls so you confirm both sound and controls work. Adjust settings like spatial audio if your device supports it. Make sure the headphones show as connected in Bluetooth, and for Apple users, check automatic switching is enabled so you move seamlessly between devices. If connection fails, perform a reset. Hold the noise control button and digital crown until the LED pulses amber, then turns white, then reattempt pairing. That resolves most.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.